All right, we're on to day 5, so we're on the last part of the whole thing. So we're doing kindness cards today. There's a pre-primary version and the junior and primaries. So the whole thing about this is just showing kindness. You know, God is love, God is kind, God is good, God is perfect. So our craft today is really cool because there's just lots of different ideas and ways that you can show kindness to others. So we're making a kindness card display. So the first thing that we're going to be doing is take the kindness cards display board, apply craft glue to the piece of the poster board edge to edge, then carefully press the craft sticks onto it one by one. You don't need a lot, but just enough of that tacky glue that the craft sticks are going to hold pretty solid. You want to make sure that each one of your craft sticks are edge to edge, so there's no, you can't see any of the white poster board. A lot of kids like to try and paint the craft stick tacky glue on, so just kind of be careful of that because a little does go a long way, just as long as there's enough for each of those craft sticks to hold to the poster board. Once you have all the craft sticks on, you're going to flip the board over. Hopefully it'll hold okay. Yeah. Keep holding those sticks together for you. You're going to take your paper clip and make it into a V shape, like so. Center it along the bottom edge of the smaller side of the clip against the poster board. Then take a piece of duct tape to hold it in place, like so. All right. Next, you're going to, you should have already cut out the kindness card pocket. And you're going to go right across each one of those creases for the folds, fold on the dashed lines, then tape the side flaps to the back so it holds it all together. Using Scotch tape on either side, that'll hold your flaps in place. Next, you're going to take some glue stick and glue stick the back of that pocket to the display board right over the duct taped paper clip. That way it hides all that. Alrighty. Once you have all that, if you want to go to the display there, you're going to stretch the rubber band around the display board between the top 2 craft sticks. Then you get to choose one of the kindness cards to start with and clip that to the rubber band with the 2 mini clothespins. The remaining kindness cards you can now slide into the back pocket there for the next day or when you want to challenge yourself with something else as an extra kindness. And there is your kindness cards. So the pre-primaries is very simple. It's the same kind of setup and design. Back and front we just use a larger envelope because their cards are going to be larger. They just simply put those into the back. They can place those on with the larger clothespins and the little stickers across the side, so it's a little bit easier for the younger ones. And there's your kindness cards.